When it comes to choosing your next truck, here are 7 reasons the GMC Sierra 1500 is the right pick for Miami Valley drivers. It's got power, thanks to multiple engine options including the Turbo Max and available diesel. Inside, it's all comfort and tech. Heated seats, premium materials, and serious legroom. Safety? Covered with features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning. Need to tow? The Sierra 1500 hauls up to 13,000 pounds with ease. It's built for work and play, featuring a multi-pro tailgate and a rugged bed. At Bob Ross Buick GMC, we've got exclusive offers like 0.9% APR or up to $7,850 in value. And with 4-wheeled and heavy-duty suspension, it's made for Miami Valley weather. Where should you get yours? This is the place where you're always the boss. Bob Ross Buick GMC in pre-owned.